Hey, this is Dr. Dean. Thanks for joining me. The Stock Swoosh, a room to avoid. Since the time I posted the original video and now, the entire website has been changed 100%. So much so that if you look at the original video and go to the website or leave the website and come and look at this video, they don't match at all. In the face of such incongruity, I decided to do this epilogue, but recognize two things. First of all, I anticipated these changes, so I took screenshots of the entire original website, so I will show you a before and after in the epilogue. And secondly, the changes are only graphic, not content related, so my original conclusions and criticisms still stand. So if you want to see those or just the epilogue, skip to the end. So here we go. I've got a lot of announcements from this room. Here's one dated early March. Make $1,000 per day, taking one trade per day. All right. Let's do the math. 1,000 a day, we'll say 8 hours, equals $125 an hour, which equals $62.30. Okay. Here's another one. You can have the call of a lifetime, almost back to back. Here's another one. Gain an edge, early April. Learn how to short for fast profits. All right. Here's another one. Simple strategy for market success. So I went to the website. I was curious. And here's what I saw on Stock Swoosh. Here's a picture of Melissa. And she posted this and says, why do viewers want to watch her? I don't know. Why would they? I mean, I watched her. She doesn't have any trades. She just talks. She doesn't have a track record. So why would they want to watch her? I was perplexed. So I looked around. I saw this picture. Now, they have a name for this. It's called the S shape or the Flamingo Pose. You see that leg there? Yeah, Getty Pictures will give me one too. You see that? It's designed to be, I don't know what it's designed to be. Here's another picture with a red dress. I'm not big on psychology, I'll tell you, but I looked up red. And red is associated with something, the color red. And in fact, there's a thing called the red dress effect. It makes you more appealing. Do you think trading stocks and futures has to do with red dresses? Do you think a red dress is important? It must be, because there's 2 pictures of red dresses, 3 of them actually on her website. And I have to tell you, see these shoes? I could not find these shoes. But I presume they must be important too, because that's what she's wearing. So how is a red dress related to futures trading? I don't know. And instead of a red dress, why not just post a track record? Now, there's lots of pictures of Melissa on her website, on her various chat places. She's quite pleased showing herself off. Here they are. Even silhouettes. Nice touch. And there we are, the Flamingo Pose again. How about that? Okay. So we have enough of that. I got one more announcement here. It says, make a living in just 30 minutes. Now, remember the math I did before? It would seem that 30 minutes is roughly $62.30. 5 days a week, 50 weeks in a year would be $15,500. Doesn't seem to be very much money. So I asked her, what is your financial definition of making a living? How much is that, right? I wanted to know. She emails me back and says, Dean, you have your own business. I don't. I'm not sure why you're asking the question below. Well, I'm asking because I want to know. You have an entire seminar devoted to making an entire living in just 30 minutes. I want to know how much a living is. Well, nevertheless, I bantered back and forth with her. She would not answer the question. In fact, she wouldn't even use her name. I always find it suspicious when people use my name, but hide. Won't use their own. This is where the original video ended here, with these 3 rules and an analysis of those. But let's just skip to the epilogue, because then I go through those again. Now remember, since I anticipated that she was going to take down her original website, I went and took screenshots of every page of the website shown here. You can see Melissa in her red dress and her Flamingo Pose and her various shoes that she wears. And of course, this is my favorite, Melissa putting on lipstick in her bedroom in a red dress under the sites and terms and conditions of use. I'm not sure how that's related, but it doesn't matter. This is a new website here, only 4 pages. The screenshot, we come in for the home page, welcome, where to find us, and of course the terms and conditions of where to pay for that $5,000 course. So obviously, if you look at the website today and you look at it what it was 2 weeks ago, there's 100% difference. But again, I spoke to the fact that this is all graphic related, not content. And I said to her, I'm really distraught. You've taken down all your pictures and flamingos and so on. And Could I have a quote for my new epilogue video that I'm doing? Well, they'll be published. Of course, I got none. So again, why still a room to avoid? No track record, no way of understanding the performance. It goes to accountability. Trades are not shown in real time. She just speaks and talks, but doesn't show the trades. And because you can't see the trades and she doesn't have a track record, you can't begin to calculate efficiency. Although she says you can earn a living in 30 minutes, as you know, I asked her point blank, what does that mean? She dodged the issue and didn't state it. So this is still a room to avoid. This is Dr. Dean. Thanks for listening. Agree or disagree? Let me know. I value your thoughts. Bye-bye.